What's up, guys? Hope you're doing good. Pete Coolis here, founder and CEO of coolproducts.com, and in today's video we're going to discuss product videos for your Amazon listing. Look, it's pretty widely respected and accepted in today's day and age that no matter what realm of e-commerce you are in, whether it be Amazon, whether it be a Shopify store or any online e-commerce store, anything like that, just selling products online, whichever way you do it, video is sort of the holy grail of content, and video converts the best. Video is really good to run advertisements to. Video is just very, very powerful and converts buyers at a higher rate generally than does just the standard text and image style. For quite some time, one of the main downfalls of selling on Amazon was the fact that they did not allow us to have videos on our product listings. Videos are a great way to differentiate our product from a competitor's product because we're able to convey messages, convey unique features, and just have cool looking content that definitely separates people in their mind and sort of singles us out as compared to our competitor. Because remember, guys, like I always say, we have limited real estate on the Amazon platform. Everyone has a title, everyone has 5 bullet points, and everyone has a product description. So what we do with that limited space that we're allotted by Amazon is extremely important. We have to milk every last square millimeter of that real estate in order to get the most out of it and stand out. Videos are an insanely great way to stand out and differentiate yourself from your competitors, and I have 3 ways in which you can get a great video for your Amazon product listing, and we're going to get into that right now. Alright, so the first way that people are able to have videos on their Amazon listings is through having, number 1, their brand registered with Amazon. So you actually have to have a legal trademark, file it legally with the USPTO, you get approved, and then you brand register yourself through the Amazon brand registry program. You get your brand registered and you are then somewhat able to have a video. Let me explain. Once your brand is actually registered, you will actually then need to have a sufficient amount of sales each and every month in order to qualify to be able to have a video on your listing. Where will the video show up? The video will show up where your images are. The video will actually be in the last image spot, usually number 7. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your video will be where the 7th image slot normally is. It's definitely a huge game changer and something that we should all strive to have on our product listings. Now, that is the hardest way to get a video because that is the hardest barrier to entry, right? You first need to be brand registered. Then you actually need to have a lot of sales and show Amazon that you are a big player. Long-term goal, right? Let's get into a couple more easier ways to achieve a similar result. So the number 2 way you can get a nice video on your Amazon listing is super simple, guys. Get a video product review. So when somebody actually buys your product and has an option to leave a review, they can upload a video and have a video review. What you want to do after that video review gets posted to your Amazon listing is this. I'm just on a random Amazon listing, this True Skin Vitamin C Moisturizer, and let's see what we're working with here. Let's scroll down, and so they've done a good job here. So this is not a video review, but it's an image review, which is almost as good. Images will be second, but video is the best. So look. You want to get that video review posted to your Amazon listing, and then the next step is to get people some way, right? Don't ask me how, because I'm not here to give you black hat advice, but get that video review somehow in some way. See this little helpful thumbs up button right here? If we click that, this is how these 353 people found this helpful. It's going to tell Amazon we're basically voting up the review and telling them to display it at the top. Going back to our limited real estate Amazon listing page, we have to make every single inch count to the max, guys. So if we get our video and or image reviews voted up to the top, we are utilizing every square inch wisely. We're going to have the highest conversion rate possible, and our listing is going to stand out and look great. Guys, so number 3 way to get videos on your Amazon listing is probably the lesser of known of the 3, and that is to get in the related video shorts section of the listing. Now, let me go over what that is exactly in case you don't know, because definitely one of the more ignored parts of the listing. It's really easy to miss. So let me go face cream here into Amazon, and let me click on a random face cream again. And we're going to scroll down And right here, guys, just below all the product details usually is where it is, related video shorts. So look at how amazing this listing is using this space on their listing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, they even have more. 7, 8. They have 8 video shorts in this section, and that is incredible. Everything from customer reviews to probably unboxings to any style of video. It doesn't really matter, but there are some nuances to being able to pull this off. My experience, there always has been a very slight chance that a person who leaves a video review for your product, there's always been a slight chance from my experience that that review could actually also get featured into this related video shorts section. I have been seeing that happening less and less lately. The more reliable option, and what I would do if I were you, if you really wanted to get a nice couple videos or just one video into this section, would be to use one of 2 services that I'm going to go over right now. So here's the first website. It's called gen.video, and on this website, this is pretty cool, guys. So look, you can actually, I'm not going to log in and everything and do all that right now, but basically I'll go to their pricing. Where is their pricing? Right down here. So I'll go to their pricing, and they will, basically this is what you do. You tell them what you want your video to be. You have a title and everything, like give them that. You actually send them a physical product, one of your goods, to their address. They make the video for you, and they are actually affiliated with Amazon in a way to which they can upload your video to your Amazon product listing in that Amazon video shorts section. Really cool. They can actually make the video for you, upload it. How much does it cost? It's not very cheap. It's going to be starting at around $500. So it's for those people out there who have bigger budgets, who want to do things up big. So probably not for the beginner out there, and that is how you do that. It's extremely useful if you have the budget, but obviously it's not 100% necessary. Option number 2 for a similar service as far as getting videos made and uploaded to Amazon is ZonVids. So ZonVids, as you can see right here, they will get your videos in the related video shorts section, and basically it's $49 per video, which is extremely good. Great deal, right? You upload your video here. They will not make the video for you. In fact, they will for like $399. But if you have your own video, right, you can just honestly make it at home or get a friend to make it, upload it here, choose a thumbnail, a title, and they will upload it into Amazon for you. And here's a nice little bonus, right? If your video does not get accepted by Amazon some way, they will refund you and let you try another video. So ZonVids, highly recommended. Try it out. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Whatever, it's $49, and you could really stand out if you can pull it off. Alright guys, hope you found value in that video. I just love dropping knowledge for free because I get enjoyment out of it. Sharing all the secrets that the top sellers on Amazon are doing behind closed doors that you never hear about. So if you want to hear more of these secrets, guys, be sure to like this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and be sure to hit that little notification bell at the bottom, because so many times when I come out with a new video, my current subscribers are not able to see it right away because YouTube does a very bad job at notifying them when I release new content. So do all those 3 things: like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, guys, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.